Have any of you used Chat GPT? Do you know what Chat GPT is? Okay, one person is. Can you tell us what Chat GPT is?
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है, उस पर सर डायरेक्ट कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछो उसका आंसर आ जाता है। जैसे गूगल पे वेबसाइट्स के लिंक आ जाते हैं और उस पर सारे पॉइंट्स आ जाएंगे या सीधे डायरेक्टली आपको आंसर दे देगा। वो आपको एक वेबसाइट नहीं देगा कि आप सब पे चेक करो जाके।
आप में से कितने लोगों ने इसके बारे में सुना था अभी तक? नहीं सुना था। 1 2 3। तो ये जो फ्यूचर वाले जॉब्स है ना जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, हम ओरिएंटेड भी नहीं है इसकी तरफ। वी आर नॉट इवन स्कैनिंग दिस। सो ये न्यूएस के आसपास मैं एक कार्ड बना रहा था, बड़ा मुश्किल कार्ड था किसी के लिए, एंड आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग विद द वर्ड। सो आई एम अ क्वाइट ओल्ड, आई लव लिटरेचर, आई राइट एज एन ऑथर, बट आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग विद द वर्ड। मैंने कहा चलो चैट जीपीटी यूज करके देखते हैं। तो मैंने चैट जीपीटी में पूरा डाला और मैंने कहा ये वर्ड मिसिंग, मेरे को वर्ड दे दे। और मैंने अपने मन में एक वर्ड रखा हुआ था कि बट ये फिट नहीं आ रहा, क्या करूं? And Chat GPT in 7 seconds gave me that word. What does that show? That 57 years of my experience was the same as what that artificial intelligence tool has already covered. Now, how can we not look at this? Now, one part to look at this is to be scared and say कि boss कल thesis भी ये लिख देगा, algorithm भी ये लिख देगा. It was exactly what I was thinking about. I said, what amazing. I was till that point, I was saying, ठीक है, I know, I work with AI. कितना अच्छा हो सकता है. I was amazed. So, this is from experience that I'm sharing with you. It's here, whether we like it or not. It's here. This future is here. Now, are we awake to this future? Or are we living in the past? कि पिताजी ने सरकारी नौकरी करी थी, पिताजी ने वो वाला काम किया था, माताजी ने ये किया था. वही रूढ़िवादिता और भेड़चाल में चलना है. Or are we, as young people, opening our eyes and looking at the future, which has these possibilities? Now, so Chat GPT can replace us. Well, maybe it can. It can replace the low-end jobs. But what if you become an entrepreneur and you say that I'm going to do content creation using Chat GPT because it's a free license, without license, it's freeware. And what if you start therefore creating content and programs confirmed by Chat GPT or originated from Chat GPT, and you become an entrepreneur who starts selling them. So you move from a job-seeking behavior to actually an entrepreneur behavior, and you use technology as an intermediary to jump you because you're not a computer specialist, you're not a coder. I'm not a computer specialist, I'm not a coder. So here is the technology which is taking me across the digital divide, across that entrepreneurial space. So question would be, are we open to it or not? Are we aware about it or not? Are we thinking like that or not? And it can do anything. If you have an interest in culture, it can create. If you have an interest in history like sir, it will create something in that. So question is, can I take my passion? Can I take a technology? Can I take a future possibility lying open for me? And start experimenting with this, start trying to see how I can use this.